What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Today we got carne asada soft taco from a place called California Mexican Food that just opened up nearby. The location used to be a Burger King, and now it's a Mexican spot with a friggin' drive-through. It's awesome. I've seen one of these down past the airport from here. It's probably a good 30 miles from where I'm at now. I used to live closer down there, or closer. But yeah, look at this. The beef steak, I'm assuming, carne asada. Then it's got guacamole and some pico in there. Looking delicious. I have tried this place before. It's been friggin' probably like 5 years or so, but let's try it out. We got some, which is what I'm sure is awesome, hot sauce. Gonna add some of that on there too. Okay, gonna take a bite. Yeah, buddy. So friggin' delicious, dude. So this was, came to $4.33 with tax, just under $4 on the menu price. It reminds me of this other place I've done a video for called Mimo's Tacos. Same style, colorful board, like Mexican colors, bright Mexican colors, and they got these big fat soft tacos for around $3-4 a piece. So delicious, guys. It's authentic shit. This is some of the best you can get as far as fast food goes. Man, so awesome. Okay, guys, check that out. Just want to bring you this short video, let you know what's going on today, and put some content on YouTube. Please like and subscribe, tell your friends. I appreciate the love. Have a great day. Check out this next video on the screen. I love you guys. Have a good one. Peace.